Hey, and welcome back again to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. And today is Friday the 12th, and it's 9:30. And right now, I want to try and make some almond pancakes. I have like regular pancakes here that you guys can see and everything. Oh, I ran out of pancake mix. But anyway, I can't have it, so I'm going to try the almond. So what I'm going to do with almond flour, this is the almond flour since I'm gluten-free. 1 cup of almond flour, and these are leftovers, 3 egg yolks from a previous recipe that I was doing. I'm going to put them in there.
Make sure you check that recipe out.
And then this is half a stick of butter. I'm going to put it in there.
Melted?
And yeah, so I'm gonna stir it together. Here you go. You see?
Whisk it up, whisk it up.
But I think I'm gonna have to put a little bit more flour. I haven't even put milk in there yet. But we have to put milk because what we're doing is I have that on high. I want to see if I can make a beautiful pancake. What do you think, Michael? And then I'm going to put another one because I need a little bit of the white, the egg whites, a little bit of the egg whites in there. Okay. Is that getting like too hot, Mike, there? Let's lower it like that on
it's
2.
Fine.
That's another egg. And we're going to whisk away. There you go. And let's put a little bit of almond milk. So you got to put a little bit of almond milk. I'm just going to put a little dash.
A dash.
Like that. See? That's not a lot. And I'm going to add up a little bit more flour, I think.
Well, how much more flour?
Do you think we need to or no? No, because it's getting thick afterwards, you see?
Yep.
Like you let it sit like for 30, 25 seconds. And it kind of like thickens. It thickens up. Can you get back? You got to do a close-up of my face.
Yes.
You know, I mean, come on.
There you go. Is that better?
So I think I'm going to put, yeah, it's a little bit too soft, so I'm just going to put a little bit more.
Well, Mom, you got to look over here.
Oh, I didn't know you were thing.
Yeah.
You got to look. I took it in my hand.
Oh.
You know, because I eyeball things. You
That's
know
right.
What I'm saying? When you have experience cooking, you really don't need to be...
measuring?
No, you don't need to be measuring. More or less, you know what you need or don't need. I use the measuring for my viewers. You know what I'm saying? So they feel good about it. This is too thin. I think I gotta put more flour. What do you think?
No.
No?
Perfect.
It is?
What do you want them hard?
No, I don't want them hard, but
It's almond flour. It's not. It's actual flour.
I know. Let me put a little bit of cinnamon.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Cinnamon.
A little cinnamon powder so they don't taste. You know, I don't know what they're gonna taste like. I never had them before. I guess it's the same concept. Michael, that's very hot. I don't want you to burn. I guess it's the same concept as making regular pancakes, but it just with almond flour. I was gonna make them with coconut flour, but I'm like, let me try the almond. I think it's thickening up now.
Yes. It's not supposed to be that thick.
I think I'm supposed to let it sit for like a second before I put it on. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do that. Let me put this here, guys. I don't want you guys to go because I want to put this together. You know.
I think it looks fine. I think it looks fine to me.
Yeah, it does. Right, it's starting to look nice, right, Mike? Yeah. So okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these and put it in there and get some and put it in my pan here. See? That I just put a tablespoon of veggie oil, and it looks like I put more than that, but it's not really more than that. But since we don't want to like overdo things here, right, Mike? I'm gonna go like this with my pan since I have experience at all, and put a little bit on that measuring cup there. And if I need it again, I just gotta put it in, right, Mike?
Yep.
So here we go. So I'm gonna take up this plastic measuring cup that I had, and I'm gonna try out a pancake. Let's see what happens, okay? Cross your fingers, guys. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Look at Mike. Let's see what happened. Wow, looks like it's cooking, right?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mike? Oh, that looks nice, Mike. Look at that. Uh-oh, I think I probably discovered something new. What do you guys think? But
we're gonna see right now.
Let it cook. I can feel the thing. It tastes really good. Let me get a thing to pick it up. What is your problem, Mike? Okay, you keep on opening your eyes there. Like you want me to hurry up. I can't hurry up. I gotta let it cook, but I can't go. So we have to stare at it and wait for it to cook, and then we're gonna flip it. You know? There you go. I flipped it. But it's cooking now on the other side.
Cook it up, cook it up. It actually looks like a normal pancake.
Let's see how good it is. I'm gonna try it too, try to eat it. You don't know how much I used to love pancakes. That was one thing that my mom used to make. And when my kids were little and I was pregnant with all of them, I used to eat pancakes every day. Oh, I love it with that.
You did?
Syrup. Oh, I love it.
Oh, you passed it down to me.
Yeah, one of my favorite things to eat. But okay, I gotta cook it a little bit more.
I have the pancake gene.
Let me put a little drop of oil because you know it is flour and it needs to cook. But do you see that I put almost a stick of butter in the flour? Michael, mix it up.
That was a whole stick, or was that half a stick?
Half a stick of butter, because it was for 1 cup. You know, and you need that moisture. You see? Wow, that looks so pretty.
You know how I know it's good?
Well, we don't know that.
Oh yeah, we do. Look, the first person has come to taste.
But the dogs wiggle their tail at everything. The dogs, anything you eat,
well,
they want.
They're not picky.
You gotta see my dogs eating lettuce. They eat lettuce and cucumber. They love cucumber.
Carrots, apple slices,
they love apple
without the
slices,
skin.
Carrots without the skin. The carrots, I buy the baby carrots and cut them for them. They love it for snacks.
Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah, just cooking it all the way. Now I'm gonna get a little plate from over there. Excuse me, excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay, bud.
Wow. I think I might want some.
Think you might want one, Michael? Wow, look at that, Mike. How pretty
Smells
that
good.
Huh?
Smells good.
Damn, I learned how to make almond flour pancakes.
That's right.
It's the same concept as regular pancake, just the flour is different, you know? And I also use almond milk because I can't drink regular milk. Wow, this is going to be awesome. Let's put it in the plate, Mike. There you go. And now I'm going to try it, and you guys going to watch me eat. What do you think, Mike?
Beautiful.
Okay, hold on. Let me get a fork and a nut. We didn't get any more syrup. Well, we got Mrs. Butterworth, Mike.
Mrs. Butterworth.
Yeah. So you can have people watch me eat my pancake. So I'm gonna put Mrs. Butterworth's. Hold on, guys. I want to make it. I'm gonna put some sugar on it. Make it pretty.
How do I take a picture?
With your phone.
You just press the camera button? And it takes a picture? Hold on, hold on.
It's going to stop it if you press the thing. Just leave it like that, and then you can
all right,
the video. You take pictures with the video.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, time to try.
Okay, go ahead.
Ooh.
I want to see how it came out. See, it's very thin because I didn't make a thick pancake. Let's see. Ready? Wow. I'm impressed. It feels a little bit. Here, try that little bit. Here. Can you taste like the flour makes? It tastes like corn, right?
No, corn's a little bit more heavy.
But
that's softer.
well, this is not that fluffy, but it's soft.
It's good.
Very good. That's it. I like this a lot. Oh, why do I put down my face like that? Let me tell you
People
something.
you gotta see how good it is.
Here, Michael.
Okay, wait, let me see. Wait, let me see. Okay, give me.
Here. I can't see your face.
Go ahead.
Move the phone, man.
No, go ahead.
Ew. I'm gonna tell you what. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Touch the notification button. Look us up everywhere we are. Bam, you gotta be there. I love you guys. It is 9:42 a.m. in the morning on Friday the 12th, January 2018. I have love for everybody. Have a good night, a good day, a good afternoon with your families and friends. And don't drink and drive. God bless.